In this video, I'll show you how to use a VPN on a Hisense Smart TV. Here, I have a Hisense Smart TV running the Android operating system, but if you're using any other Hisense Smart TV like the VIDAA version or a Roku-based Hisense TV, I'll also show you an alternative way to use a VPN on those. If your TV has the Android OS like this one, setting up a VPN is fairly simple. All you need to do is open the App Store on your TV. Just launch the Google Play Store and, in the top search bar, type the name of the VPN you want to use. One of the most popular options for Android TV is Proton VPN. You can search for Proton and you'll see it show up. Once it appears, install the VPN. In my case, it's already installed, so I'll just open it. Now I'm going to sign in to the VPN app. To do that, click on Sign In. For this particular VPN, you'll need to visit protonvpn.com/TV on your mobile device or computer, select a plan, and enter the code displayed on your TV into the browser. Once that's done, you should be logged in on your TV. There are other VPNs available as well. You can browse the Play Store and explore other options, including free ones. Try them out and see which one works best for you. For Hisense Android TVs, this is the straightforward method to install and use a VPN without any issues. However, if you're using a Hisense TV with the VIDAA OS or the Roku OS, which don't support VPN apps directly, the workaround is to install the VPN on a mobile device or router and connect your TV to that network. This way, the VPN connection will be shared with the TV. To do this on your phone, open the Google Play Store or App Store, depending on your device, and search for a VPN app you're comfortable with. I'll continue with Proton VPN as used earlier. Install the VPN on your mobile device, open it, and go through the setup process. You'll either sign in or use the guest option. Choose a suitable plan or skip if you prefer. Once set up, select the country you want your VPN to connect to, grant the necessary permissions, and the VPN will begin protecting your phone. Next, open the top menu and turn on your phone's hotspot. On your Hisense TV, go to the settings, navigate to Network Settings, and look for your phone's hotspot. Connect your TV to this hotspot, and now it will be using the VPN connection from your phone. This is an effective method for TVs that don't support VPN apps. You can do the same with a router. Install the VPN on the router, connect the router to your TV, and your Hisense TV will be using the VPN from the router. That's how to use a VPN on any Hisense Smart TV. Setting up a VPN on your Hisense Smart TV can unlock a world of content and enhance your privacy. While Hisense TVs don't support VPN apps directly, you can configure a VPN on your router or share a VPN connection from another device. I recommend using NordVPN for its reliability and speed. Check out the link in the description to get started with NordVPN and enjoy a more secure streaming experience.